Welcome to FlotasNet. In this video we are going to talk about the driver qualification report. It is necessary to have I button in order to make a driving evaluation and identify the driver. Also, it is necessary to have canvas in order to be able to have driving data. The qualification report collects the vehicle's behavior data and assigns it to the driver who is identified at the time. In order to make a correct assessment of a driver, we make an evaluation focusing on 4 fundamental sections: satisfaction, efficiency, quality, and ecology. Finally, giving us an assessment of each section and a general assessment. In safety, driving aspects related to the prevention of risk for the driver and road safety are assessed. In efficiency, ideal driving is the one that uses the vehicle sources appropriately, with knowledge of the physical principles from the point of view of energy efficiency and have a direct impact on fuel consumption. In quality, good quality of driving is sought, respecting traffic regulations and considering the good maintenance of the vehicle. In ecology, driving aspects related to environmental protection and pollution are valued. To evaluate these 4 basic aspects, safety, efficiency, quality, and ecology, I use the following parameters collected from the vehicle's canvas: sudden braking, sudden acceleration, non-predictive driving, number of necessary idling, good engine usage, revolutions per minute in red zone, revolutions per minute in green zone, active cruise control time, and inertia. First of all, go to Modules, Cell, Driving Profile Administration. This is where we will create the profiles and assign the vehicles to each of these profiles. It is possible to weight and balance each of the aspects to give more value to one than another in the final rating. By default, a profile will be created with all the aspects having the same weighting. Each of the aspects of safety, efficiency, quality, and ecology can be assigned any parameters from the list that will be taken into account for the individual assessment of each of the aspects. The default value of the chosen parameters can be modified. Next, go to Modules, Cell, Driver's Qualification Report. On the left, the period that we want to evaluate appears. It is useful to remember that the report will work on the selection of the fleet that we have at that moment. We click on Consult and obtain the result. On the left-hand side, we see in the table format the list of drivers that we have evaluated with the partial and total marks. On the right side, we see a pentagon graph of the average driver's behavior. If you click on a driver in the left side table, a detailed graph will be loaded on the right, in which you can compare the driver's rating with the average rating of the drivers in that profile. Furthermore, if you click on the 3 lines above the graphs, the report can be seen in the full screen, as well as can be exported in different formats.
FlotasNet. Juntos, mejor.